Manage your car till 4, please.
Hi, and welcome to Bible Art Projects. Today, I'm making treat jars. I have lots of birthdays and occasions coming up, and in a few weeks, it'll be Christmas. Now, I love to make things, and I especially enjoy making gifts for people. One of my favourite gifts to make are hampers and treat jars. Throughout the year, I gather up and collect all of my jars from different condiments and produce, ready to transform them into a colourful collection of treat jars. Mayonnaise, jam and olive jars are my favourite. I wash the jars and clear them of their old contents, decorate them and fill them with homemade treats or some shop-bought sweets. As I was preparing my jars and treats, I started to think about 2 Timothy 2, and I pondered about my kitchen and all of its different types of jars and pots and pans and containers. In a well-presented kitchen, you will not only find fine china or crystal glasses, but you will also find a trash can, or a dustbin, or a compost bin. All of these are containers of one type or another. However, some are used to serve, and some to hold litter. The Bible refers to this as being a vessel of honour. Becoming a vessel of honour, a crystal glass, may seem like an abstract concept, but the word says that we can achieve this by simply running away from the type of negative things we used to get tangled up in, and instead start running towards living right, towards faith, towards love, towards peace, towards righteousness, according to God's word. And to aim to make connections with those who are honest and love God. Second Timothy 2 also asks us to refuse to get involved in pointless argumentative discussions and instead aim to be a gentle listener and someone who, through their gentle, calm and patient approach, can teach others and also can make time for those whose principles and beliefs may be totally opposite of their own. understanding that in your calm and patient kindness, a seed of hope and God's love may be planted in a once closed and thorny heart. I love making these treat jars. Had they stayed as they were, they could have ended up in the rubbish bin, the trash can, or the recycling bin. But with a little patience and creativity, they have now been given a new purpose, a colourful and positive makeover that will bring joy to someone's heart.